Hey guys and gals, Kaikane Smith here. So basically I'm going to tell you the two best countries in the world to teach private English lessons, okay? And those two countries are China and Japan. If you play your cards right, know how to play the game like I have been doing for almost 20 years, you will definitely make the most money teaching private English lessons in China and Japan. If you want to make a lot of money just teaching at a university or a school, then of course Saudi Arabia or the Middle East is for you. But if you want to have tons of fun and experience really, really awesome cultures, then I highly recommend China or Japan. That's it for today. Be sure to check out my website, getrichtechingenglish.com. Also, if you haven't got my book yet, get on it. For those of you who require more in-depth advice or help, please feel free to book a consultation with me on my website on the consultations page. I offer email and Skype consultations as well as resume, cover, and reference services. Stay tuned for more awesome videos and don't forget to share, subscribe, and like. Until next time, peace out.